Hello everyone, I'm CH Raghavendra Reddy. Now we are going to discuss about variable shadowing in Java. Firstly, we'll see what do we mean by variable shadowing. Variable shadowing basically occurs when a variable in a certain scope has the same name as variable in outer scope. In such situations, the inner variable will shadow the outer variable. This is the mechanism of the variable shadowing. As the inner variable takes higher precedence and hides the outer variable, it becomes difficult to understand the code and creates confusion. In Java, in Java, we know that we have different types of variables. The variables that we declare just after the class are called as your class variables or the global variables. And the variables that you declare within the method within the class are called as your local variables. Your global variables or the class variables can be referred as the outer variables, whereas your local variables can be referred as your inner variables. So in Java, when we declare both the global variables and the local variables with the same name, the local variable will shadow the global variable. This is a mechanism of variable shadowing in Java. Now let us understand this mechanism with an example program. I'll just show you a program. Here, let me explain the code. As we can see in the program, we have class called shadowing. In the class, we have declared a global variable called x, which is x is equal to 10. And we have a method, we have an instance method void shadow in the class shadowing. In that we have declared and initiated a variable called y to 20. In the next step, we are printing the value of x and we are printing the value of y. And in the method we are going to create a local variable again with the same name as the global variable, that is x is equal to 30. Now the the variable which we have within the method x is equal to 30, this is your local variable which is your inner variable, and the variable that we have just after the class is x is equal to 30, that is your global variable or your outer variable. In the next step, we are going to print the value of x. In the main method, we are creating an object for the shadow class and we are calling the shadow method. Now we are going to execute this program and see the output. As we can see, the values we have printed 10, 20 and 30. 10 is the value of the outer x, that is x is equal to 10, which is your global variable, and 20 is your local variable which is y is equal to 20. They have printed both as it is. And in the next step, we have seen that we have seen that we have initiated x is equal to 30. That 30 value is being printed in the next step. That is, the inner variable has been shadowed the outer variable x is equal to 30. This is a mechanism of variable shadowing in Java. Now the question is, I need to access the outer x value, that is x is equal to 10 in the output. I need to get the output like 10, 20 and 10. So in Java, this can be achieved by using a keyword called this. In Java, whenever we encounter a global variable and a local variable with the same name, then you can use a keyword called this in order to access the variable of the outer scope. Now I'm going in this print statement, I'm going to give the keyword called this dot x. Now we are going to execute this program. As we can see, the output is 10, 20 and 10. That the outer X value has been accessed by using a keyword called this. So this is the entire mechanism of variable shadowing in Java. We can prevent the variable shadowing by using a keyword called this in Java. This is all about the variable shadowing. Thank you.